Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you will be fine inshallah ताला. दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है. दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है, पर नहीं ताकत परवाज़ मगर रखती है. Dear students, all of you are very well aware of the celebrations of Independence Day on 14th August, and 14th August is observed annually in our country, and it commemorates the day when Pakistan achieved independence and was declared a sovereign state following the end of the British Raj in 1947. Pakistan came into existence as a result of the Pakistan movement, which aimed for the creation of an independent Muslim state in the northwestern regions of South Asia while partition. And the movement of freedom was led by the All India Muslim League under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And some other important heroes who worked for the independence of Pakistan were Nawab Mohsinul Mulk, Nawab Waqarul Mulk, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Shaukat Ali. Both of them were brothers and were known as Ali Bradaran, and so many other great personalities who worked for the creation of Pakistan. Independence Day is a day when we celebrate our martyrs and their struggles of a long span of about 100 years. Our forefathers shed their blood and sacrificed their lives for our bright future. हमारा खून भी शामिल है तज़ीने गुलिस्तां में. हमारा खून भी शामिल है तज़ीने गुलिस्तां में. हमें भी याद कर लेना चमन में जब बहार आए. ओके बच्चों, our Independence Day, on this day we celebrate the freedom that we have as a nation and the rights we have as its people. So, it is a time to remember those who have paid the price for freedom and be thankful for their sacrifice. Because the desire for independence led to the creation of Pakistan. Independence Day is a national day that brings zealous determinations, affirmations, and positivity amongst all of us. Here, as a responsible citizen and as a responsible patriotic citizen, there are many tasks we have to do in future. We should stop widespread abuse of energy, water, natural resources, environment, and sometimes saving is better option than generating. We should stop threatening Mother Earth, our own life support system. We should assist Mother Earth to heal her wounds and in process heal our own indeed. Dear students, the destiny of a nation lies upon the shoulders of youth. उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, हो जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद. Let's unite the youth from all walks of life. Come out and let's change the destiny of our country. Our motherland is dear to us than our own life. We shall not let down our forefathers. We shall work for the progress of country, of our beloved country Pakistan. खोल आँख ज़मी देख, फलक देख, फ़िज़ा देख, मशरिक़ से उभरते हुए सूरज को ज़रा देख. Let's resolve today by setting aside all the differences of color, creed and caste to work hard for the unity, progress and prosperity of our dear motherland. फ़र्द कायम रब्ते मिल्लत से है तन्हा कुछ नहीं, फ़र्द कायम रब्ते मिल्लत से है तन्हा कुछ नहीं, मौज है दरिया में और बैरून दरिया कुछ नहीं. Dear students, as you know, united we stand, divided we fall. And this is my message to you all. Forge unity, work selflessly. Pakistan, our beloved motherland, will shine surely. Inshallah Ta'ala. Long live Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. ग़ुलामी में न काम आती हैं शमशीरें न तक़दीरें, ग़ुलामी में न काम आती हैं शमशीरें न तक़दीरें, जो हो ज़ौक़े यकीन पैदा तो कट जाती हैं ज़ंजीरें. कोई अंदाज़ा कर सकता है उसके ज़ोर बाजू का, कोई अंदाज़ा कर सकता है उसके ज़ोर बाजू का, निगाहे मर्द मोमिन से बदल जाती हैं तक़दीरें. Dear students, now I am giving you your assignment on the Independence Day topic. Do prepare your assignment and submit it to me on 14th of August or as soon as possible. This is your homework for 14th August, and there will be no homework, no lecture for your 14th August. Do celebrate 14th August with full zeal and zest. Inshallah Ta'ala, we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.